Have you ever wondered how AI understands our requests? Prompt engineering is the key behind this fascinating technology. Let's dive into its significance by exploring its real-world applications. Prompt engineering tailors inputs given to AI systems for better results. It could propel industries to new levels of efficiency. Now, let's explore how various sectors use it. In healthcare, prompt engineering helps streamline patient data analysis. AI can quickly discern patterns in large datasets, assisting doctors in diagnoses. This can lead to faster, more accurate patient care. In marketing, businesses use prompt engineering to create personalized content. By adjusting prompts, companies generate targeted advertisements. This drives better engagement and conversion rates, transforming customer outreach. In finance, prompt engineering allows risk assessment through data analysis. Financial institutions analyze trends quickly, helping them make informed decisions. This reduces risk and enhances investment strategies. In education, prompt engineering customizes learning experiences. AI tailors lesson plans based on student needs. This personalized approach improves student engagement and retention. Each industry shows the versatility of prompt engineering. By adjusting inputs, businesses achieve remarkable results and efficiency. To summarize, prompt engineering plays a vital role across various sectors. It enhances healthcare, marketing, finance, and education. By understanding its applications, we appreciate its impact. Now, it's your turn. Explore how prompt engineering can transform your industry. Implementing these strategies can lead to significant improvements in productivity and innovation. Stay connected with us. Thank you.